Hi everybody, it's Miss Melissa. I am the lead infant teacher at Oakland Township, and today for Cooking Week we're going to be making pudding. So to make this super simple, to make it helpful with your infant, we are going to be using instant pudding, a bag, and then it requires 3 cups of milk. So this is where the fun comes in. Go on ahead, open the box of pudding, and then all you're going to do is going to open it. Smells good. They're going to love the smell. And that's something that you can do during this too. You can, use your senses. Talk about the smell. It smells like chocolate or vanilla or whatever kind of pudding you're going to use. Talk about all the smells. How's it going to feel when they're playing with it. So you're going to take it and we're just going to dump it into the bag. And then once you dump it in, you can go on ahead and pour the milk into the bag. And this is where we can do, some core notes. You can work on experiment, predicting, and drawing conclusions. We can do data analysis. They're going to be working on their fine motor skills. And then, of course, they're going to be building a relationship with you. So building relationships with adults. So go on ahead and pour the milk in. And once you get that poured in, you just make sure you seal up the bag nice and tight. We don't want any messes. So once you seal up the bag, I like to push some of the air out and they can just play with it. They feel it. They can give it a little shake. They can just pat it on the table. And so they're mixing up the pudding for you. They're mixing it up. And it's just a cool sensory item for them to do. They can just sit, play with it, shake it. And then the best thing is that once you're done, obviously, for most infants, once they're on table foods or on purees, they can try some of it. They can eat it. So it's definitely a good activity for them. And it's also a good activity for older kids. So if you have older kids as well, they can help you pour the milk. They can help you pour the pudding in the bag. They can definitely do this as well. So after they're done mixing it, you want to make sure you get all the clumps out. Give them a good 5 minutes with it. And then once they're done, they're all done. You can take it, make sure everything's mixed up. And all you're going to do is put it in your fridge. And then you'll have a nice snack for them to eat in a little bit. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I cannot wait to see you guys soon. Bye.